It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation Edition. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Elevation Edition. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, wood trim, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel, we have trailer mode. By turning that dial to the right, we've got our various drive modes that appear on the dash, such as normal, sport, and off-road. Two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials, and the park brake just below. Rubber floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, and a cloth interior. Next, I'm going to hop in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. On the left side are the cruise control buttons and the heated steering wheel button. And to the right, we have our audio controls and voice commands. This is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, we have OnStar and some interior light buttons. And down below, we have GMC's Infotainment Center. Equipped with Apple Carplay and Android Auto, this touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with our trailering app, and it doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. And to the right, we have hitch guidance. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, auto stop start, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control, the trailer brake, along with some USB ports and power plug-ins. To the left, we have the engine push start button. Apply pressure to the brake while holding the button down to start the truck. At the front of the Elevation Edition, we have the painted grille surround and bumper, black tow hooks, fog lights, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood, rear tinted windows. The door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. As we make our way to the back, you'll notice this truck comes with the X31 Offroad Package. It's got all-terrain tires, off-road suspension, hill descent control, a 2-speed transfer case, skid plates, dual exhaust, and a high-capacity air filter. At the back here, we have the CornerStep bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to lower our tailgate using the key fob, pushing that button twice. It's also got the MultiPro tailgate step, so by pushing 2 additional buttons, we can drop that step down with ease. The box of the truck has 12 cargo hooks and LED box lighting. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, wood trim, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got cloth seat pockets. The back of the center console has 2 cup holders, some USB ports and power plug-ins, along with the rear fans. Rubber floor mats on the floor. Our middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. We also have behind the seat storage found behind either one of those rear seats, as well as under seat storage by simply lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation Edition, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.